I'm definitely up for change. Like all my business career, I've definitely changed, and you just got to keep moving the goalposts to stay in front. Not just competition, just in life, you know, you've got to change things, otherwise you just become really stagnant. I'm going to have a bit of a fish this morning, so good day for it. My parents are retired and they thought they'd buy a business, so they bought Betta Blinds and Awnings. Within 2 years they actually lost everything, lost all their house, the whole lot. Me and my sister ran the business for about 2 years, I think. My sister actually got married and moved back to Melbourne. That was just me. We had a retail outlet on the Nicolan Way, which we shut. And I was renting a property out at Glenview, and we had a carport there. So I actually brought some tin walls for 80 bucks, screwed it all up on the carport, dirt floor. Been a big journey. It's been fun. Moved the business into a shed in the Mammoth storage area. Back in them days, we were in a little shed, 150 square metres. And then, yeah, ever since then, like for the last 16 years, I've been at Mammoth. Yeah, the shed's just growing in size. This one was a purpose-built factory for myself, which turns out still not big enough. Before I was making, I was fitting, I was selling and delivering it. So I used to have a little van I used to deliver, whereas now we rock up with a big semi-trailer. No, I'm joking, not quite a semi-trailer, but we rock up with a truck to deliver our customers' blinds now. It's my thing, you know, I've found a real passion for blinds, which is a bit weird, but I guess everyone's got passions for different things. Seriously, I just went for it. I would say you got to give it a go. You never know until you actually try. The harder you work, the more lucky you get. I guess a lot of people call it luck, but I know this hasn't been luck. Like, I've had to work really hard to get to where I've got to. So yeah, I think, you know, the harder you work, the more you sort of reap the rewards, sort of thing. So I'm looking forward to retirement one day. I don't know when that is. We're actually expanding like a lot, which is good. We put a New South Wales rep on. We brought one truck, we're actually grabbing another truck. Moving forward, like, we want to be the biggest wholesaler, you know, in Australia. I don't know if that'll ever happen, but you never know. Let's get heading the right way. So yeah, so that's the plan moving forward.